At sports time, Jamaica's Sunshine Girls were leading Caribbean rivals Barbados 23-20, 4 minutes into the third quarter in the final game of their three-game series at the National Arena. The Sunshine Girls maintained their three-point margin, having jumped out to an 11-8 lead at the end of the first stanza and 21-18 at halftime. The first game ended in a 44-all tie, while the Sunshine Girls won Game 2 on Sunday. Meanwhile, Christina Harwood excelled in her preferred goal attack position as the Sunshine Girls took Game 2, as we told you on Sunday. They won it 40-34.
Having seen what Barbados had an offer in Game 1 on Friday night, the Sunshine Girls ensured there were no slip-ups in their second of three games on Sunday. The Jamaicans started well and ended the first quarter with a three-point advantage at 12-9. The Bajan Gems equaled their first quarter scoring in the second, while limiting the Jamaicans to two less, but still had a 4-point deficit at 22-18 at the halfway stage. That deficit was increased by one at the end of the third quarter as the Sunshine Girls took a 30-25 lead into the last period. And that didn't change throughout the last quarter, with the Jamaicans taking the victory at 40-34. Christina Harwood, who looked out of sorts on Friday, was the Sunshine Girls' top shooter with 19 from 24 attempts, while Shimona Nelson contributed 15 from 18 and Rebecca Robinson adding 6 from 8 attempts.
I think that Adine always brings a lot of energy. I think putting Jodie in the circle in the defence was a really good move. Stacey's obviously carrying an injury. You can see she's on the bench. She's got her foot now wrapped up. So that was a really good move. And Jodie is not quite as tall, so she was able to get round and get to those balls. I think the defence worked really, really well. The defence was awesome. But you saw the whole team coming together. At times, the whole team were defending and the whole team were getting the ball back into the circle, so it was really good to see.
Latonia Blackman was the best scorer for the Bajans with 17 from 19 attempts, as coach Sandra Bruce Small felt her team got their strategy wrong.
I think that we went away from our game plan a bit and played the ball in the air to the Jamaicans' advantage, but overall we had enough. I think that we had enough turnover ball that we should have made it work. But I think the crowd tonight made a big difference between the two teams.
Bernardo Brown for TVJ Sports.